The forgotten gold rivers, ancient waterways that still hold hidden treasure. Beneath layers of stone and sediment, buried under the weight of millions of years, ancient rivers once flowed where today only dry landscapes and hardened rock remain. These are not rivers visible to the modern eye, nor are they marked on any map. They are the silent witnesses of Earth's long geological past, forgotten gold rivers, whose hidden channels still hold one of the planet's most coveted treasures. These ancient waterways, long extinguished by tectonic shifts and climatic change, continue to captivate modern geologists and mineral explorers. Locked within their buried channels are accumulations of placer gold, fine particles, flakes, and nuggets washed down from prehistoric mountain ranges and concentrated by the relentless motion of vanished streams. The story of these lost rivers is not just the story of gold, but of continents in motion, climates in flux, and landscapes redefined across the span of geological epochs. Chapter 1: The Formation of Gold Rivers. Gold in rivers is no accident. It is the product of deep geological processes that span from the formation of Earth's crust to the weathering of ancient lode deposits. Gold typically forms in hydrothermal veins, crystallizing from mineral-rich fluids that penetrate fractures in the Earth's crust. Over millions of years, tectonic forces expose these veins to the surface. There, mechanical and chemical weathering release the gold, fragmenting it into grains and nuggets. Rainfall and streams carry this liberated gold downhill, where the process of natural sorting begins. Gold, with its high density, resists the flow of water better than lighter materials. It settles into cracks, behind boulders, and in bends of rivers, areas where the water's energy dissipates. Over time, these concentrations form what geologists call placer deposits. But rivers are not permanent. Earth is restless. Tectonic uplift diverts watercourses, volcanic eruptions bury valleys, glaciers scrape away entire landscapes. When a river ceases to flow or shifts its course, its gold-rich gravels remain entombed within its ancient bed. Over eons, these deposits become covered by newer sediments, basaltic lava flows, or even layers of volcanic ash. Thus, a gold-bearing river becomes a paleochannel, a geological ghost of a river long forgotten. Chapter 2: The Geological Hunt for Paleoplacers. Unlike surface placer deposits, which prospectors of old could find by simple panning and observation, paleoplacers demand a sophisticated approach. Finding a forgotten gold river is as much an exercise in geological forensics as it is in exploration. Geologists first seek signs of ancient landscapes, terraces preserved high above modern rivers, sequences of gravels incongruent with today's drainage patterns, or unusual linear magnetic or density anomalies detectable through airborne surveys. Remote sensing, especially when combined with LiDAR data, helps reveal the faint contours of buried paleochannels. Once a suspected paleochannel is identified, detailed ground surveys begin. Drilling is essential. Core samples taken along systematic lines reveal the hidden stratigraphy. Within these cores, geologists search for gold-bearing gravels, rounded quartz pebbles, ironstone fragments, heavy mineral sands, and, crucially, free gold. These buried rivers, when found, are often astonishingly rich. Having flowed for millennia, and having remained untouched for millions of years, they represent both a scientific triumph and an economic opportunity. Chapter 3: Famous Forgotten Gold Rivers of the World. Throughout the world, there are legendary examples of forgotten gold rivers, many of which changed the course of history. California's ancient rivers, during the Miocene epoch, vast river systems flowed westwards from the ancestral Sierra Nevada. When volcanic eruptions covered these rivers with lava flows, the channels were preserved. 19th-century miners uncovered these hidden treasures beneath Table Mountain basalt, sparking some of the richest discoveries of the California Gold Rush. Australia's Permian paleochannels. Beneath the arid surface of Western Australia lie ancient channels dating back to the Permian period. These fossilized rivers, located hundreds of meters underground, still yield significant quantities of gold to modern mining operations. South Africa's Witwatersrand. Though famed for its gold reefs, the the Witwatersrand Basin also contains evidence of ancient river systems which played a role in concentrating gold deposits. It remains the world's most productive gold field. Canada's buried valleys. In British Columbia and the Yukon, buried channels associated with ancient glacial meltwaters still produce placer gold. Many remain undiscovered, waiting beneath layers of till and sediment. Chapter 4: Why paleoplacers matter in modern times. In an era where surface gold deposits have been largely depleted, paleoplacers represent a crucial frontier for mineral exploration. Not only are they potentially rich, but they also offer certain environmental advantages. Unlike large-scale open-pit mining, which scars the landscape, the exploitation of paleoplacers often involves targeted excavation or underground mining methods that minimize surface disruption. Additionally, understanding paleochannels provides valuable insights into past climates, sediment transport processes, and regional tectonics, knowledge with applications beyond mining. Chapter 5: The Earth Remembers. Though hidden from view, these ancient gold rivers endure within the geological record. Their existence is a testament to the planet's capacity for both change and preservation. To find them is to read the Earth itself, to interpret the scars of vanished rivers, to follow the clues left in tilted strata, and to understand the silent language of stone. Each rediscovered paleochannel tells a story not just of gold, but of Earth's ceaseless transformation. The rivers are forgotten, but the gold remains, locked within buried valleys, waiting for those with the knowledge and patience to find them. For the modern geologist, the search for forgotten gold rivers is more than a hunt for wealth. It is a quest to uncover the deep history of our planet, and to find, beneath the ground we walk, the lost pathways of ancient waters. Final reflections for geologists and students. If you are a geologist or a student of the geosciences, remember this: the greatest discoveries are not always those that break the surface. Beneath your feet may lie rivers that flowed before human history began, rivers whose courses shaped continents and whose sediments hold the clues to ancient climates. Forgotten gold rivers are not just about mining, they are about reading the Earth's hidden pages, understanding its buried stories, and contributing to the body of scientific knowledge. Deepen your understanding. Keep questioning landscapes. And never forget that sometimes, the most valuable treasures are those we cannot see until we search beyond the surface. Support our channel. If you found this video valuable, please consider supporting the growth of this channel. Subscribe to Professional Geology Club for more in-depth geological content. Like this video to help others discover it. Share this video with your colleagues, classmates, or anyone passionate about earth sciences. Your support helps us continue creating educational resources for geologists and curious minds worldwide. Thank you for watching.